Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 99 and friends, today we are going to discuss about some important points which we need to remember in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 99. याद रखें means remember. So friends, here are some words meaning which we need to remember while we use them in our English language. So friends, let's see them. Lose, in English it means lose means khona. As you have seen friends, if we lose something like we lose anything, so we normally say कि हमने वो चीज़ खो दी है. Like we have lose our ball, any item. So we normally lose यानी खो देना. Lose, L-O-O-S-E, it is also known as lose. It means ढीला. ढीला means friends, if we tie something or that tears off means the rope is not firmly fixed means it is loose. So L-O-O-S-E means lose means ढीला. Get, G-E-T, get means प्राप्त करना means he get it out or he get something. So get means basically किसी चीज को प्राप्त करना. Get about means चलना फिरना means we normally get about in the park, we normally get about here and there, we normally get about at our home. So it is known as चलना फिरना. Get back means वापस आना. For example friends, we went to office and we get back at our home. So get back means वापस आना. Get down means उतरना means we got down from the bus, we got down from train or we got down from any vehicle. So means get down means उतरना. Get going means शुरू करना means he kept going through his work. So means get going means शुरू करना. Get in means प्रवेश करना. As you have seen friends, when we enter in examination hall, so we normally say please get in means प्रवेश करना. Get off means उतरना from any vehicle. For example, I got off from the taxi, I got off from the train, or I got off from the tonga, etc. So get off means उतरना from any vehicle. Get out means निकलना. So friends, as you have seen friends, when we normally enter in a room and if someone says please get out from my room means मेरे कमरे से निकल जाओ. So get out means निकलना. Get up means सोकर जागना. So when we sleep in the night friends and we normally get up in the morning. So get up means सोकर जागना. Basically we get up in the morning only. Get together means इकट्ठे होना. So friends, basically it means that we are a group of friends and we got together at a particular place. So it is known as get together means इकट्ठे होना. Get through means सफल होना. For example, he get through his examination with good marks means get through means सफल होना. Goose means बत्तख. So friends, बत्तख is a kind of एक पक्षी है फ्रेंड्स, बत्तख, जो बेसिकली हम जू वगैरह में देखते हैं. सो गूज मीन्स बत्तख. नूज, N-O-O-S-E, नूज मीन्स फांसी का फंदा मीन्स यू हैव सीन इन द दिस इज बेसिकली यूज्ड इन क्रिमिनल डिपार्टमेंट. इट इज यूज्ड इन जेल्स एक्सेट्रा वेयर कल्प्रिट्स इज बीइंग हैंग टू डेथ. सो N-O-O-S-E, नूज मीन्स फांसी का फंदा विच इज नॉर्मली फाउंड इन जेल्स. So friends, now we will see these wordings through some examples. He gets about with difficulty since his illness means he gets about with difficulty since his illness. तो वो basically वो अपनी बीमारी से बड़ी मुश्किल से उबर सका. So he gets about with difficulty since his illness means वह अपनी बीमारी से बड़ी मुश्किल से उबर सका. So friends, it is basically a get about. It is a get about sentence. चलना फिरना. When will you come back? So in Hindi it means आप वापस कब आएंगे. So it is a future interrogative type sentence. When will you come back means आप वापस कब आएंगे. शी क्लाइम द ट्री बट देन कुडंट गेट डाउन. सो द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स अ फीमेल पर्सन पेड़ पर चढ़ गई थी पर वो वापस नहीं आ सकी, वो पेड़ से उतरकर वापस नहीं आ पाई. सो फ्रेंड्स, शी क्लाइम द ट्री बट देन कुडंट गेट डाउन अगेन. सो वो पेड़ पर तो चढ़ गई लेकिन वो पेड़ से वापस उतरकर नीचे नहीं आ सकी. सो इट इज ए पास्ट टेंस टाइप सेंटेंस. They wanted to get going on the construction of the house. The sentence basically means that the persons were they wanted, वो चाहते थे कि वो जो हाउस का घर का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है वो उसको देख सकें. So they wanted to get going on the construction of the house. So वो लोग चाहते थे कि जो हाउस का जो घर का कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, जो मरम्मत चल रही है, उसको वो देख सकें. Please get in the train, said the guard. The train is about to start. The sentence basically means that the guard is basically requesting the passengers कि please get in the train. मतलब आप ट्रेन में जल्दी से बैठ जाइए. गार्ड ने ऐसा कहा क्योंकि ट्रेन अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है. So please get in the train, said the guard. The train is about to start. Means गार्ड ने रिक्वेस्ट करी पैसेंजर से कि आप जल्दी से अपनी ट्रेन में बैठ जाइए क्योंकि ट्रेन अब स्टार्ट होने वाली है. He got off the noon train. The sentence basically means कि a person basically he got off from the noon train means एक पर्सन जो व्यक्ति थे उन्होंने वो दोपहर की गाड़ी से उतर गए. So he got off the noon train. So जो व्यक्ति थे वो दोपहर की गाड़ी से उतर गए. He couldn't get out of the room. The sentence basically means कि वह पर्सन अपने रूम या कमरे से बाहर नहीं आ सका. So it is a past tense. He couldn't get out of the room. तो जो मेल पर्सन है वो अपने कमरे से बाहर नहीं आ सका. So friends, it is a past tense. It is a good habit to get up early in the morning. The sentence is basically a normal saying also, or it is a good habit that every person should follow in his life. So it is a good habit to get up early in the morning. तो ये इन हिंदी इट मीन्स ये एक बहुत अच्छी आदत है अगर आप सुबह को जल्दी उठ जाते हो. सो इट इज़ अ गुड हैबिट टू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो ये एक बहुत अच्छी आदत है अगर आप सुबह को जल्दी उठ जाते हो. वी आर प्लानिंग अ गेट टुगेदर टू सेलिब्रेट आवर फ्रेंड्स मैरिज. द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स दैट अ ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सनस एक प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं कि वो एक गेट टुगेदर आपस में कर लें ताकि वो अपने एक जो खास मित्र है उसकी शादी को वो सेलिब्रेट कर सकें. वी आर प्लानिंग अ गेट टुगेदर टू सेलिब्रेट आवर फ्रेंड्स मैरिज. तो हम चाह रहे हैं कि हम अपने दोस्त की मैरिज को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए एक गेट टुगेदर कर लें. ही गॉट थ्रू हिज एग्जामिनेशन. द सेंटेंस बेसिकली मीन्स फ्रेंड्स ही गॉट थ्रू हिज एग्जामिनेशन मीन्स ही सिक्योर्ड गुड मार्क्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन. मीन्स वह अपने एग्जामिनेशन में सफल हुआ. ही गॉट थ्रू हिज एग्जामिनेशन. वह जो मेल पर्सन है वो अपने परीक्षा में सफल हुआ. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट इज ए पास्ट टेंस. सो फ्रेंड्स, दिस वॉज द इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पार्ट 99 in which I tried to explain you about some important points which we need to remember in our English language. So friends, basically I told you about some important wordings which we normally use in our English sentences, which works as a short terms in our English language. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about some important points as I explained you with sentences and with examples. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences and wordings in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. And friends, kindly please subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon in the subscription box. And I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, basically these kind of short wordings and these short wordings which we normally use in our sentences is very important if we want to become a fluent English speaker. So friends, kindly practice these sentences daily and ultimately at some point of time you will realize that your English language has become fluent, your confidence has boosted up and ultimately your personality has grown. and with the passage of time you will realize that friends, you have become a perfect English speaker in front of bigger perspective or in front of another person. So friends, please keep supporting me so that I may bring you more interesting English speaking topics which could prove to be an asset for you and which could help you in brushing up your fluent English communication so that you may become a fluent English speaker. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.